How to get ChatGPT Go for free. Right now, the only official free way to get ChatGPT Go is through a 12-month promotion in India. And I have the proof over here. It says ChatGPT Go promotion in India. Let's read a bit more. Overview. OpenAI making ChatGPT Go available at no cost for 12 months for eligible users in India who sign up during a limited time promotional period starting November 4th, 2025. The promotion is available now for redemption from ChatGPT Web or the Google Play Store and will be available to redeem next week from the Apple Store. But I did more research and it's not only from India. There are more countries that you can use it from. So some of these countries are several Asian countries: India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and many more. Several European countries: Austria, Czech Republic, Denmark, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Spain, and reportedly Sweden. Some Latin American countries: Brazil, Bolivia, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua. Now, if you are in that region, you can open ChatGPT upgrade plan, try Go, and it will show you a 0 month for 1 year. This promo includes full Go features like ChatGPT 5, higher limits, and image uploads. Outside India, so including Canada, United States, Australia, UK, and many more, there is no free ChatGPT Go offer at the moment. The plan is only available in the limited set of countries, as we mentioned before, and the free promotion doesn't apply globally. You can still use the free plan normally, but Go isn't free unless the promo becomes available in your region. So yeah, unfortunately, not everyone can get it, but this is how you get ChatGPT Go for free.